On January 1st, 2018, a new Maryland state law goes into effect that will apply to everybody that uses a smoke alarm still powered by a 9-volt battery. Those are going to become obsolete, and the law requires that you have a 10-year battery sealed smoke alarm in your home. The old law used to require one in your house. Now the new law requires one on every level of your home, just outside of sleeping areas, as well as inside every bedroom.
And what happens if they don't have one and the fire department finds out they don't have one? Could they get a ticket or a citation?
Well, we have a very passive enforcement policy when it comes to smoke alarms. We'd rather bring you into compliance than give you a ticket for not having a smoke alarm. So if anybody needs a smoke alarm, we ask you please call 311, ask about our free smoke alarm program. Firefighter will come out to your house and provide you one smoke alarm, and you are required to bring your house up to compliance with the law. We don't go out, we don't give tickets, we're not the smoke alarm police. We're going to, again, passive enforcement. We'd rather give you a smoke alarm rather than give you a citation. Now, as far as the commercial side of things, our fire inspections will conduct inspections to ensure that you're in compliance with the law, give you a certain amount of time to bring up your commercial establishment to the letter of the law before any fines could occur.
Will the fire department install smoke alarms?
Yeah, when you call 311 and ask about our smoke alarm program, what will happen is a firefighter will contact you first by phone to set up a convenient time for them to stop by. When they come by, they'll install one smoke alarm in your home and provide you any other fire safety information you might need, like planning an escape from your home in the event of a fire. We'll, again, only give you one, and we will install that alarm for you.
Can you talk about houses that didn't have smoke alarms and there were fatal fires?
Yeah, we've had several unfortunate incidents over the past few years that involve a fire fatality in a residence where there was no working smoke alarm. We've had several of those this year, and back in 2013, we had a family of 4 from the Glen Arden area perish in a home fire. No working smoke alarms were found inside of that home. We would like to think that had a working smoke alarm been present, that they would have had that early warning to get out of the house before those fatalities occurred.
Can you talk about the PIN-UP program?
The PIN-UP? The Fire and EMS Department conducts various smoke alarm programs where we go out and about in the community, visiting homes, knocking on doors, asking to check smoke alarms. One of the programs we offer, it's called a PIN-UP, or Post-Incident Neighborhood Intervention Program, which allows firefighters to go into a community that has just suffered a tragic event, maybe a multi-alarm fire, a fire with significant injury or fatality. We find that residents in that community are more apt to open their doors to our firefighters, let them into their homes to check smoke alarms. And again, if we find one that's not working or is too old, we'll go ahead and replace one for you. This program has been in effect for over 30 years and has been highly successful.
When you go into these areas after a fatal fire or such, how many homes do you find that do not have a smoke alarm?
On the average, if you take your average block, about 10 homes, we will find about 5 to 6 homes have a smoke alarm. Now, 2 or 3 of those homes will have a smoke alarm, but it is not working due to a lack of batteries, an old alarm, just malfunctioning. And then in a smaller percentage of homes, those 1 to 2 homes that has no smoke alarm whatsoever, is where we're finding that the majority of fire fatalities occur. So we're finding about a 60% compliance with working smoke alarms, a small percentage, about 25%, that have a smoke alarm but it's not working, and then another percentage of homes with no working smoke alarm whatsoever. And it's in that smaller percentage, that latter category, that we find most fire fatalities occur. So we know for a fact smoke alarms save lives.
And you say something about 50% chance? There's a 50% chance?
By having a working smoke alarm in your home, it increases the chances of you surviving a fire by about 50%. If you have a escape plan designed and practiced where you identify 2 ways out of every room in your house and a safe meeting place outside, that further increases the chances of you surviving a home fire.
Is there anything else we can add? Can you just
Again,
emphasize how
You know,
important it is?
working smoke alarms save lives. I mean, it's vitally important to understand that as firefighters, we see the tragedies that occur. Deaths occur in homes that don't have working smoke alarms. So it's very important to have that plan and practice, a escape plan, and try to be fire safe at all times. Again, the law changes January 1st, 2018, have a 10-year smoke alarm to replace any battery-powered smoke alarms you may have. Smoke alarms that are powered by electricity or direct wired into your house do not, this law does not apply to you. This is for homes that use a 9-volt battery-powered smoke alarm to protect them. You need to upgrade to a 10-year model.
And the phone number again?
Again, if you need a smoke alarm, and most jurisdictions have this smoke alarm, if you're watching outside of Prince George's County, many jurisdictions have a similar program where if you call 311 and ask about the free smoke alarm program.
Okay, thank you.